Students, this is Ms. Momita from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you all to online teaching 2020-2021. Today we are going to study about the fifth chapter of the 8th standard, that is Inside the Atom. Now, before you understand about the inside of the atom, you need to know about matter. What is matter? Matter is something which occupies space and has weight. Matter is made of molecules. Molecules are formed from atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which retains its chemical identity in all physical and chemical changes. An atom is the smallest unit of matter, and molecules are formed by chemical combination of atoms. Now, the scientists in modern times explain the nature of atom as well as internal structure of atom through different theories. First, we are going to study about Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton's atomic theory, matter is made up of atoms and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. All atoms of an element are alike, while different elements have different atoms with different mass. Next, we are going to study about Thomson's plum pudding model. According to this model, positive charge is distributed throughout the atom and negative charged electrons are embedded in it. The distributed positive charge is balanced by the negative charge on the electrons. Therefore, the atom becomes electrically neutral. Now we are going to study about Rutherford's atomic model. According to this Rutherford's atomic model, an atom has positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. Most of the mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Negatively charged particles, which are referred to as the electrons, revolve around the nucleus, and the total negative charge is equal to the total positive charge on the nucleus. And there is an empty space between the revolving electrons and atomic nucleus. Now we are going to deal with Rutherford's scattering experiment. Now, according to Rutherford's scattering experiment, alpha particles emitted by the radioactive element were positive charge, and Rutherford bombarded the alpha particles through a thin gold foil, and his observations are most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil without any deviation. Some alpha particles were deflected from their path through small angles. A few alpha particles were scattered at large angles, and a still small number of same sign particles get deflected through a larger angle, and one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounced back in direction opposite to the original path. Now we are going to study about the Bohr's atomic model. In the year 1913, Danish scientist Niels Bohr explained the stability of atom by putting forth stable orbit atomic model. Now, according to it, the electrons, which are negatively charged, lie in concentric circular orbits at certain distance from the nucleus. Energy of the electron is constant while it is in a particular orbit. When an electron jumps from an inner orbit to an outer orbit, it absorbs specific amount of energy, and when it jumps from an outer orbit to an inner orbit, it emits specific amount of energy. And this energy which is being absorbed or emitted during these transactions is equal to the energy differences between the initial state and the final state of electron. Thank you.